The device's design is pretty much identical to the premium Oppo Reno 10x zoom that we have reviewed before. You can watch that video in the top right corner or in the description below. This one has the same curved corners and edges, which makes it nice in the hands. The one that you are taking a look at right now is the luminous black color that has a subtle look to it. Meanwhile, a vibrant sunset pink option is also available. The main highlight of the Reno 2 is its cameras, just like its brothers. It starts with the 48 megapixel Sony IMX586 primary shooter. There's also the 13 megapixel sensor with a 5 times of hybrid zoom that can go off up to a whopping 20 times of digital zoom. An 8 megapixel ultra-wide sensor is also present, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. The image quality that you can get from all of its cameras are just simply impressive, with great colors and contrast, and so far, we have no immediate complaints here. It also has an ultra steady video feature. We actually published an entire video that was entirely shot on this device, which you can check out again in the top right corner. The Oppo Reno 2 runs on a Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G processor with flagship level 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage. It provided smooth and seamless performance during our initial moments with it. It boots up the device in a jiffy, handles the interface seamlessly, and the first game that we tried, the popular Call of Duty Mobile, ran at very smooth frame rates with great graphics quality. We'll test its limits, especially more on gaming, in our full review. The Reno 2 also features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED screen with an in-display fingerprint scanner baked in. There's also the shark's fin style pop-up camera that is a signature to Reno devices, and a 4000 mAh battery with VOOC 3.0 fast charging. Again, we'll see how all these features perform in real-world scenarios and extensive tests in our full review, so stay tuned for that. But if you can't already wait, the Oppo Reno 2 will be available starting October 25 for 28,990 pesos. Again, this has been Patrick from noypx.com. For more detailed look about the Oppo Reno 2 and a few devices that we have talked about, you can check out all the available links down in the description below or in the top right corner in the card section. You might also hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post a video, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and yeah, thank you for watching.